Hello learners, welcome to our channel. My name is Ishan Kisramani and I will solve today a programming question that was asked in the Wipro. And the question is that to find the LCM of the three numbers. And the same question was asked in the NCR Corporation test. So let's start coding and let's find out how to find the LCM of the three numbers. So first of all, I will create a class named as LCM. Now, let me first increase the font size. Yes, now what I have to do is I have to find the LCM of the three numbers. So, as we all know that LCM of the three numbers, LCM of three numbers is equals to LCM of three numbers, say it is A, B and C. Then the formula to calculate the LCM of the three numbers is just to find the LCM of A and LCM of B and C. So we will use this method to calculate the LCM of the three numbers. So first of all, I will be defining a method named as find LCM. So int find LCM, and this method will take two parameters, say A and B, and these two parameters A and B are the numbers of which we have to find the LCM. Now this method will return the LCM, so it is of the type integer, and now I will at the end I will return the LCM. Simply I will return the LCM, and here I will define the some of the variables, say GCD greatest common divisor, which is initialized to 0 initially, and I will be also initializing LCM int LCM, which is also equals to 0, and then I will be calculating what is the smaller number of these two numbers. So int smaller is equals to A less than B question mark A colon B. So basically this is a conditional operator. If this condition evaluates to if this condition evaluates to true, then our answer will be A, otherwise the answer will be B. So what I have to do is I have to traverse through the elements of the loop till the smaller element. So for I will be requiring a for loop for this. For int I is equals to 0, I should backtrack the elements. So int I is equals to smaller and I is greater than 0 and I minus minus. So I should decrement the I each time. And then here I have to write the condition. And the condition is that the numbers, as we have to find the LCM, we need to check whether the numbers are divisible by this I or not. So if A modulus I is equals to 0 and B modulus I is also equals to 0, then this is known as the GCD, or the greatest common divisor, GCD, and this value is initialized in I. So we will initialize the value of I, store the value of I to the GCD. So this will give us the greatest common divisor of these two numbers. So now how to calculate the LCM? So to calculate the LCM, we need simple formula, that is LCM is equals to A into B, that is the product of the two numbers, divided by the GCD, greatest common divisor of those two numbers. So this is a simple formula to calculate the LCM of the two numbers. But now as we all know that we need to calculate the LCM of the three numbers, so we need to call this find LCM method once again. So let's first define the main method. So public static void main string args, and here I will take three integers. For example, 5 comma b, say it is 12, and c, say it is 14. Yes. Now what will I do is I will create the object of this LCM class and will call this method with that LCM class's object. So LCM LCML is equals to new LCM and L dot find LCM, and here I will pass only the two numbers, and the numbers will be B and C, and I will store the output in some other variable, say it is result. Now I need to calculate the LCM once again, because I have only calculated the LCM of these two numbers, but I haven't taken this number into consideration. Now I have to take this number into consideration. So int required LCM is equals to L dot find LCM, and now I will pass A and the result of the first two numbers, or you can say the last two numbers. So now I will just print this system dot out dot println LCM is plus required LCM req LCM. Yes, that's all. So now let's compile and run this program. So you can see that we have got our result as LCM is 840. Now let's change the values as to check for some other variables, and 8, 10 and 15. So now let's check for this numbers, for these numbers. So we have got our answer as 1200, but I think this might be wrong. So let's check what is the. So I'm getting this wrong result. So you can see that I haven't used the break statement here. That's why I was getting the wrong result. I need to break once I get the greatest common divisor. So let me run this program again. So now it is showing me that LCM is 120, which is correct. So now let's check for some other values. Say it is 7, 10 and 14. So it is giving me the LCM as 70. You can check it with on your own that LCM is 70. So now you have seen that how we can easily calculate the LCM of the three numbers. So please subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos, and please do watch our other videos, as we have uploaded all the placement preparation videos, and we have also uploaded some of the other questions which were asked from the NCR Corporation last year or the previous years. So you can go and check out our playlist.